guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina, and on this channel we talk about all things health, beauty and lifestyle. I'm so excited for today's video. My aim is to feel good in my own skin, and I would love to help other women, especially moms, feel good in their skin too with videos like this. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new palette that just launched called the Moodstruck Beloved Palette number 3. It is all about shimmers, all about metallics, and just getting your eyes dazzling and looking beautiful. So I cannot wait to show you this look today. I will be bringing you guys a video series based off the new palette, so lots of new looks. The palette is so versatile, so I'm really excited to show you all the different things that you can do with it. So on today's video, we are going to be just getting started with a very basic look, but very beautiful, and I can't wait to show you guys. So before we get started, I should say that I've already done my foundation, I have done my concealer, and I've also primed my eyes. Priming your eyes is super important. It really helps to make the eyeshadow pop and be more vibrant. It also helps it to last all day long, which is what you want, right? So it kind of creates that barrier between your skin and your shadow. So it's just the primer is really there just to make your eyeshadow be the best it can be. Okay, so the very first step is applying the shade Considerate, which is a very beautiful light gold shade used in a small crease brush just like this. And what I'm doing is just grabbing that color, giving it a little shake off so there's no excess, and then I am applying that color straight on into the crease. And what I'm doing is using window wiper motions to really distribute that color and really just doing it really with a gentle, soft hand to really distribute it nice and evenly. And what I like to do is add the color, in stages, so I don't add too much, as it's easier to add than it is to take away. It's absolutely stunning, really shimmery, really gorgeous, and I'm in love with this palette. Using a clean blending brush, I will just soften off the edges to make it look more natural, if I can just get my hair out of the way that is, and just give it a really, really nice blend out with, again, a soft hand and just really window wiper motions to get that edge really blending into the skin. The next step is using my finger. I'm going to be applying the color Unselfish, and this is an absolutely gorgeous silver shade. Just look at that, it's stunning. And it's really, really good to, apply that lighter shade onto the lid. And that's just going to really just brighten up that eye area and really just make this look come together. And look how nice the silver and gold go together. It's just stunning, just stunning. So again, I'm just blending that, or just adding that color, at one stage at a time to really just build up to the look that I'm after. Okay, so step 3 is using a clean crease brush. I'm going to be placing the color Inexpressible, a copperish color, and I'm going to be placing that onto the outside corner of my eye. And what this is going to do is really just define that area and make my eyes appear even bigger. I get to shape my eye and make it more pretty, and I'm really just dabbing that color on in a couple of different layers just to really build up to the intensity that I'm really after. And I'm sweeping that color outwards and upwards towards the brow just to really give my eye that really long look that I am after. Now with the clean blending brush, I am just softening up those edges again and making those colors all blend together in one harmonious look. Really light again. I don't really like to go in too heavy with the brushes because that can really just kind of make them patchy. With the light strokes, it really just helps to make it blend well. So I'm going back in with that light gold color with an eyeliner brush, which is a really small brush, to really get into that smaller area under my eye, just to really pull the look together and make it cohesive. So I'm just really, with small little light strokes, adding that gold color under my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some black eyeliner to the top of my lid to really accentuate the shape of my eye. And I'm also using small strokes because it's so much easier to create that line rather than doing it in one fell swoop. And I'm going to keep it quite tight to my lash line, just so it doesn't look too obvious. Okay, so now we're on to the mascara, my favorite part. I add 2 coats every time, and this is my Twisted Epic Mascara, which gives my lashes length and separation. There are actually 2 brushes in this mascara. The small brush is so perfect for getting into the teeny weeny lashes, but the bigger one makes it more tricky. And you know, I really like this mascara because it's natural, it's really quick to apply, and it really just gives your lashes that, you know, quick definition that I'm after. So now, as a bonus step, we're actually going to be using this palette as a blush. It is so versatile as a palette. You can use it for so many things. I'm actually using my finger to apply a Heartwarming shade onto my cheeks and blending it outwards to get a nice warm glow on my cheeks. And this just really makes me look really healthy, I think. So it goes on a little bit like really bright of the color, but don't worry, it blends so well, so do not panic. So this is the final look. It's so gorgeous and shimmery and so easy to apply. You know, so are you a shimmer and a dazzle girl just like me? Comment below if these colors are something you would love to try. This palette is on a special bundle this month on my online store. You can get a discount of up to 20%. So if you're interested, please click the link below for more info and all about the prices. Feel free to reach out with any questions below and I will always respond. There is so much on in this bundle, so check it out. So guys, with all that being said, I just want to give you a huge thank you for watching my video today. I had a blast doing my makeup and sharing it with you guys. If you like these shades, let me know. And what do you think of the final look? It's super pretty. Also, if this video has inspired you in any way, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more health, beauty, and lifestyle videos just like this one, then please consider subscribing to my channel. All your support would mean the world to me. Have an amazing day, week, month, wherever you may be in the world. And remember, every day is a brand new day. Take a deep breath, smile, and start all over again. Bring the inspiration and magic always. Take care, guys.